Hello guys, I'm back and today we're going to be reviewing the Hornby GWR high-speed train set. Let's get on with it. So here we have the contents of the train set. We have the track pack A displayed here on the track mat with the siding. Got the product number R1230. So here it is out of the box. We've got the HST there, both power cars and the Mark 301, I can't remember. Got the third radius curves and 2 double straights. We've got the power track, curve and points for the siding. We've got the controller which has high and low speeds, it's analog. We've got the outlet or plug that goes into the wall electrical socket. We've got the buffer stop or buffers for the end of the siding. Got the re-railer to easily put the trains on and off of the track. And we've got some traction tyres for the driving wheels on the train. So here's the power car with the engine in. It looks pretty good. So it's got working lights on the front and it looks like an HST, which is really good. It's got the nice GWR logo on the side in big. It's number 43005, but on the other side it's on the door at the back, which is kind of strange. The roof is all moulded detail, it's pretty basic but it still looks good. Nice little door to get into the coach. Lovely vent with a bit of light orange lining. Some orange lining on top of the door as well. You've got the massive vent there on the side. You've got some underframe detailing. It's all moulded, but it certainly looks the part. Some added bogey detail. They're just little bits and bobs which look quite good. And we've got a windscreen wiper and a little vent between the headlights. It's the old headlights, but that doesn't matter. It's got some like lining kind of stuff under the thing. So this is the dummy car. It's 43016 the number, and exactly the same as the other one. It's got it on the door at the back. Then we've got the Mark 3 coach. It's massive. It just about fit on my piece of cork. It's got the GWR logo again. It's the slam door one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that white window is where the toilet is. I'm not sure, so correct me if I'm wrong. It's got some tiny weeny writing, which you can barely even read. So here it is. And then on the other bits of the line, so we've got the number of the coach, 42250, and it says Great Western Railway. I tried to get some good shots of the inside. In the end, I ended up using flash. Still didn't look very good, but hey ho, whatever. This is an alright picture. Got some of the seats. There's also tables. The roof detail is the same. And so here they are together, really. The set comes with 8 third radius curves, 2 double straights, a half curve and a left-hand point, 2 standard straights and a power straight, a buffer stop which you can't even see because of this thing I'm using. It's got an analog controller, dial forwards and backwards, pretty simple. It's got high-low speed though, so we'll test that out. Also got some accessories, holes. We've got the thing that goes into the track. Got the outlet or the plug that goes into the wall electronic socket. Got the re-railer, nice one red. Got the Hornby logo imprinted into it. The set also comes with a track mat as well, which is quite cool. And it also so that track pack was track pack A. Re-railer on. Now what you have to do, put the train on and simply just slide it onto the track. And just like that, the train is perfectly on the track. Now sit back, relax and enjoy some train running. Thank you.